Hi guys. So in this video, we focusing on the how to the connect the word, like if you using the so many sentence, and then how to use the in between the sum of the connection word. Like there so many people are speaking the English without the connecting the word or the sum of the sentence. So this is the makes different to the speaking to the everyone. Like why I am saying means I am also not using the in between the connecting word, and then I am also the practicing how to use those words in between the some of the sentence. And if you speaking to some strangers, or if you speaking the stage, like, so it is the mean. Like why I am saying means if you using the so many the connecting word, that is makes helpful for someone understanding your English, and then they will be made with your the conversation, and they will easily understand for the what you mean, and the what you say, those people are the understanding. So if you don't using the connect words in between them, so you are the struggling, like how to say, if you stuck some of the time, you are having to the content like speaking, you stop with that time. So if you using the connected word, that is makes helpful for your speaking communication skills, and also you have the time to take and thinking. And also, so like if you speaking so many people with stranger, there are the using like, and then I mean, yeah, it is good, yeah, and then so these are the connecting word there are the using. So sorry for the reason in my around some of the noise is coming, so sorry for that. Please adjust them. Upcoming video I will make sure this is not repeated. So we return to my content. Like if you using the connected word, that is makes helpful, like you are understanding how to use speaking, how to those words the connected to explain your thoughts, like attraction to someone. Like the attraction means if you speaking something like that, you like the listeners, there are interesting to listening something. So if you using so many sentence, like you have like like that, and then so I mean, because these are the simple the connected word. So please try to the use it. The initially it is the struggling lot, I can understand. I am also beginner, I also the faced so many problems like while speaking, but I am putting my effort to every day, like speaking practice. And also how to say, I should, if I can do something, yeah, I will do. So every day it is a speaking the important, and also the practice is also important. So confident, don't blame yourself. If you made a mistake, it is the still good, because of you made a mistake. That mistake, the something that learn for you. So if you made a mistake, don't worry about that. So if you made a mistake, yeah, you felt happy for that, because of you felt happy with the for that. Why I am saying is, if you made a mistake, after that you realize, yeah, I made a mistake, so year after I am not do that same mistake. So you are thinking the same like this, and like me, because I am also thinking like that way. After that I realized speak slowly. And also if you speaking the some of the sentence while you speaking to someone strangers, like they try to speak slowly. Like if you speaking the slowly, yeah, you can the how to say the make the sentence. And if you thinking the thoughts, yeah, you can easily the convey to someone the person. So these are the helpful for me. Like I'm also beginner, I'm also trying to improve my communication skill with together. So please support me, and also share your friends and subscribe my channel. So these are the I am discuss in this video. So I also some interesting topics there upcoming video, so please wait and see and watch it. So if you speak with me, like I'm also interested speak with anyone like stranger, like if you need, so please let me know in the comment section. I will create some Google Meet, and after that we gonna discuss something the conversation like the podcast. So it is makes helpful some of the beginner also. If you need, so please let me know in the comment section. I will make sure I will send something link or mail. So thank you for the supporting, and thank you for the watching my videos. So in this video though, so that's all. So and also I mentioned like if I any made a mistake, please let me know in the comment section. I will make sure, yeah, I will do upcoming the videos. I will the correct that. So thanks for watching. Okay, bye. We're gonna see next video.